Dow futures modestly higher as investors await Fed meeting. U.S. stock index futures were marginally higher on Wednesday morning, as investors wait to hear from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. At around 01:30 a.m. ET, Dow, there's a special focus on the outcome of the Federal Reserve meeting Wednesday. Not only are traders, the U.S. President, when asked Tuesday whether he wants to remove Jay Powell from his position, said let's see what he does. This comes after earlier in the day, President Trump had accused ECB President Mario Draghi of currency manipulation, after the latter's speech at a conference in which he suggested that the European Central Bank could provide more stimulus if inflation does not pick up in the Eurozone. Draghi responded. Meanwhile, President Trump also said he will be having an extended meeting next week with the Chinese leader at the G20 meeting in Japan. There are no data items to note Wednesday. In terms of corporate earnings, Oracle and Winnebago will be updating investors.
Raindrops, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.